I'm happy to be here.
Tori just pulled up in the building with a, what was that you just brought, a pit bull?
Nah, he a Boston Terrier.
A Boston Terrier?
Yeah.
He had me rubbing him like he was rubbing his dog. I was loving every minute of it. What you got going on out here for the BET experience this weekend?
Well, it's a good weekend. We nominated for Best New Artist. Even if I don't win, I'm just happy to be out here.
You still won.
Yeah,
You're still winning
because I'm out here.
Because you out here. And no, you know what? If they have a nomination for livest live show, you would win that hands down.
If that ever becomes a column,
you get that. You get that, Tori. Your shows are so dope. You come in the crowd. You give an energy.
I try my best.
I mean, you feel like every time you get on the stage, it's your first time.
Kinda. I treat it like that. I always treat it like, you know, this is the last time I'm ever gonna get a chance to be in front of these people. So I always give it my all.
Wow. Well, you know, we appreciate you. You always come through for us when you come through to the show. Do your thing.
Yes,
I mean, you know, he's an R&B gangster. I'm sitting next to the R&B gangster, and I want to appreciate you for stopping by.
Thank you so much.
We're gonna is there any way? Well, we can't vote for him, but ladies, I want you to close your legs and your fingers like in a cross motion,
just, you know,
and think
keep
about
the legs open, but cross the fingers. But cross the fingers. You know what I'm saying?
Well, ladies, you heard what Tori told you to do. Let's all give him some energy because you were the best of this past year.
Thank you so much.
You were the best. General Motors know it. Remember you had that gig? You know, everyone knew you were Rolling Stones #1 to look at for 2016. So this is your year, Tori, and I'm honored to be here with you.
Likewise, I'm just honored to be here with y'all. This is the best radio station. It's BET Award weekend, and we happy.
Oh, he gonna make me rub him again.
Go ahead, rub away, girl.
Is that Tori? Is that Tori's bulldog, or he's just happy to see me?
Just my arm, girl.
2016 BET Awards. Make sure you check it out and support my guy Tory Lanez. Tomorrow night comes on at 7 p.m. Don't be late.